M2M are excited to announce the official launch of our Meta-approved smart parking bot and EV charger bot at Traffex Parkex Coventry. Introducing a revolutionary parking and EV charger service that simplifies the process of bookings and payments using WhatsApp. No app download is required. Users just need to scan the QR code and say hi to start using your WhatsApp AI chatbot. Users receive smart messaging notifications and can remotely extend parking and charging sessions without the need to return to the vehicle. Technology partners and resellers, are you looking for a way to gain a competitive edge and enhance your customers' experience? By adding the WhatsApp channel to your parking and charging software applications, you can improve automation and boost brand recognition. Bring your own payment gateway to ensure payment flows are not disrupted. This simple addition provides the convenience your customers crave. Built for partnerships, M2M Omnichannel has the technology ready to take your business to the next level. Come and meet us at Stand F18 to find out more.